Hello friends, I am from Cloud Technologies. In the last section, we discussed about what is an AI and how AI works and history of AI. So in this section, we can discuss about what is the types of AI and applications of the AI. So let's start our video. Types of AI. Andrew Hittige, an assistant professor of biology and computer science engineering at Michigan State University. He categorized AI into four types. The first one, reactive machines. The second one, related memory. And third one, theory of mind. And fourth one, self-awareness. Before going to discussing about the four types of AI, so first we need to know how AI stores the data. The AI stores the data by the algorithm. The algorithm is created by computer science engineers or computer science scientists by using the past experiences. The past experience is created in an algorithm and stored in the AI machine. The AI machine absorbs the code and reacts to it. Reactive machines. Reactive machines don't store any memory or use a past experience to determine the future actions. They simply process the old and reacts to it. For example, if you take Deep Blue machine, the Deep Blue machine is invented by IBM, which is defeated the chess champion Kasparov. The reactive machine that sees the piece of chessboard and reacts to them. It cannot reverse any prior experience and cannot improve by the action. So, the reactive machines cannot store any memory and cannot use any past experiences. So, now we can see the different applications of the AI. AI applications. Artificial intelligence has made its way into a number of areas. So, here we have four examples. AI in healthcare, AI in education, AI in manufacturing, AI in Android apps. So now you can see how AI helps in the healthcare. AI in healthcare. The biggest bits are improving the patient outcome and reducing the cost. Companies are applying to machine learning to make better and fast diagnosis than humans. The one of the biggest known healthcare technologies, IBM Watson. The IBM Watson is a chatbot. It's developed by IBM. It can understand the natural language and capable respond to questions what the patient can ask. It also helps in billing process and taking the feedback from the patients. So now we can see how AI helps in the education. So AI helps in the education for the students at the place of teacher at the nighttime studies. So it also helps for the clarifying the doubts on the time of exams. Now we can see how AI helps in the manufacturing departments. AI in manufacturing. Normally in manufacturing industries, the human will work. But nowadays, in place of humans, the robotics will be work in the industrial. So the robotics are designed by AI system. Now we can see how AI helps in the Android apps. AI in Android apps. So AI play major role on Android applications. Suppose if I take Google Assistant. The Google Assistant is developed by Google. So suppose I ask where is subway to Google like this. Okay Google, where is the subway? Then Google takes my word and convert into the binary codes and search on the server. Again it's converted to the binary codes and again converted to the natural language and sent to me. The subway is near 20 kilometers or 10 kilometers. Then I will go by very easily. So like this, the Google Assistant is helps to the customers. Like Google Chrome, there are so many Android applications are helping to the customers with the help of AI. So that's it for now. In this study section, we learned about what are different types of AI and applications of AI. The next section, we can discuss about the very important section, what is machine learning and what are the algorithms and how the algorithm is to the AI and what are the methods, and also we can learn what is the deep learning. So don't miss the next section. Thank you. Bye.